Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can dress like Sanrio and dress to impress without VIP. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can choose this hairstyle, and for the style you can choose the only bang. Okay, and then we're going to go to the skirt area, and I'm going to wear this skirt, color it white, and then this one as well, color it white. Okay, then we're gonna move to the next area. We're going to wear this corset and color it white except the ribbon. Okay, the ribbon is in the fourth selection. I'm just going to leave it like that. Okay, for the ribbon, I'm just going to make it this pink color. Okay, and we're going to wear this sleeves. I'm going to color it white for the first selection, and for the fur I'm going to color it this pink color. Okay, and then we're going to wear this shoe and then color it pink, and I'm going to move to the stocking area, and then I'm going to wear this sock and make it high stripped socks, and then I'm going to color it with this pink. Alright, and then I'm going to move to the accessories area. I'm going to wear this hat and color it pink, and wear this bunny ears, color it pink for the first and second selection, and we're going to wear this ribbon, color it white. Okay, and the last one I'm going to put flower. We're going to put on this flower, and I'm going to color it white and pink. Okay guys, and this is the final result. Okay, and that's all the way to dress like Sanrio and dress to impress without VIP. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.